Most of the YouTubers was obsessed with the kind of thought that what kind of intros was suitable for my channel, or what kind of outros or subscription button, or where do I get them from. I don't know Adobe Premiere Pro, I don't know Photoshop, then how can I edit my intros? Well, I'm speaking about the young YouTubers. If that's your question, then I'm here to help you out. I have a website. I just found a website for the young YouTubers so that they can have the intros very clearly, very superb, without knowing Adobe Premiere Pro, without having knowledge of Adobe Premiere Pro. And stick with me till the video. I'm gonna tell you about the website. Whoa, I just forgot to tell you one thing. You need to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I mean, that sounds robotic, but however, you need to subscribe to my channel to get notified whenever I upload a new video, and you're the first to receive the notification whenever the particular video was uploaded. So without any delay, let's get started. Editor?
Yes.
Can you please turn on the video? Intro. Hello everyone, my name is Steve and welcome to the channel Tecognition, the tunnel of technology. So today we're not going to review any kind of products, or we're not going to see any kind of specifications, features of the products, but we're going to see the specification, or not like specification, but we are going to see about the particular website for the young YouTubers, for the people who are just starting into the field of YouTube channel. And that particular website helps you to create wonderful intros and wonderful outros, and you can also get subscription buttons from that particular website, and the particular website was so called as Panzoid.com. Well, let's quickly get into the computer screen and I'll explain you every single thing over there. So this is my screen, guys. Quickly, let's get into google.com and type in over there Panzoid, and click on the first link coming over here, and you can make clips, backgrounders and video editor, like all three in one together, Panzoid. And you cannot find the search bar over here in starting, you just get on to the down and click more creations. Click more creations, and then you'll be finding this particular search bar over here, and type in over here intros. These are the intros for YouTube and mainly for gamers. If you're a gamer, you're very well to go with this particular website, and you'll be having a wonderful intro. And you know what, this particular website gives you the intros, the customized intros, very freely and very easily. This was very much easy to use, and I'll show you example thing. You can download intros, subscription buttons, as well as the outros. So this is just like side view, which is like you need to adjust it, but however you don't need to adjust it over here. Just click on I button over here, this one, and you'll be seeing the finished picture of it. Click on, I'm just clicking it, I'm just playing the video so that you know how it looks, and you know how it looks after the customization, you know. So yeah. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Baby, don't hurt me no more. What is love? So yeah, that's how it looks. It's this, not only these animations was there in this particular website. There were a lot of animations. You can check it out if you have patience, you know. So you can customize over here, and you'll be seeing objects. Click on it, and you just type your name, what you want that particular name. And in my case, it's Tecognition. Just type it, and here 2 times. Tecognition. That's all. It's finished. and you get this particular one without any editing knowledge. No matter you know Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere Pro, or any kind of After Effects or any kind of higher softwares, you don't need knowledge of them. You just get this particular one very easily and very freely. Now just see the finished video of this one.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Baby, don't hurt me no more. What is love?
That's how it looks, guys. And after all this, you just click on here. You can see the download button over here, and if you don't see the option named, you can click on over here in 3 lines and you'll be seeing download. Not just the name, but you'll also able to change the scenes, you know, like different types of scenes. After all this, you can also change musics, and you can also keep some audios and all the kind of stuff, and that's all. You just click on download option. If you want the well you know, like the quality video, then you need to wait for the video to be downloaded with patience. Click on over here and extreme quality and select MKV, not WebM, it's MKV, and click on start video rendering. It takes some time. If you have patience, you can click on extreme quality thing, and if you don't have patience, you would probably not get any kind of quality video because it takes time. After the video was rendered, there comes an download now option, and you can download it very freely without any kind of objection from the website.
A few moments later.
After a long time, the video was downloaded finally. So you just need to click on download your video like that, and it just leads you to another tab, and it opens the window in your computer. You just need to save, that's all, or rename it and save. I'm gonna rename it as Tecog, and I'm gonna save it down. That's all. It's saved over here. It's downloaded now. You can check out over here. I'll show you.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Baby, don't hurt me no more. What is love?
Well, that's the video. Or else if you wanted to check out the subscription videos, you can also check out the subscription videos over here. Just now type in subscribe, SUB, subscribe. That's all. Here this is one subscription note, but if you just need to type in green, like subscribe note, green screen, and here they are. You can check out over here. These are the subscription notes. You can paste it over here in your YouTube video while you're editing in software, and that's all. You just I'll just show you one of subscription video over here. This is good. Open in Clip Maker and click on I button to get a full view of the particular clip and play. This is not good, obviously. I'll show you another one. Maybe this one. Open a Clip Maker and I button and play. And that's all. You just need to same again. If you wanted to change any kind of thing, you just don't need to change anything over here because it's just like subscribe, red color button and the black, and that's all. And you just need to do one thing. You just need to download the video. Again, if you want the quality, extreme quality and MKV, always remember, and start video render, and that's how the process works. Thank you so much for watching. Well, that's all about the video, guys, and if you guys love the video, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you have any kind of technology ideas, then make sure you comment me in the comment section, so that I'll make it as a video, and I'm sure I will mention your name too, so that you get featured in any kind of video, like you'll be on the YouTube obviously. And make sure you do follow me on Instagram and Facebook, on all this kind of social media accounts, which will be linked down in the description and after the video too. Well, that's about the video. Thank you so much for spending your wonderful and precious time with me over here. Meet you in another video.